To remove and install the radius rod on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then remove the wheels and set aside. Next, remove and retain the radius rod fastener from the bearing carrier and discard the nut. Then remove and retain the radius rod fastener from the vehicle frame and discard the nut. Continue by removing the radius rod from the vehicle. Before continuing, examine the radius rod shafts, boots, and spherical bearings for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. If reusing, clean any dirt or debris using a shop rag. Next, align the radius rod with the mounting holes on the vehicle frame and reinstall the retained inner rod fastener from the rear of the vehicle. Then loosely secure with a new nut. Continue by reinstalling the retained bearing carrier fastener from the rear of the vehicle and loosely secure with a new nut. If necessary, repeat this process for the remaining radius rod. Next, torque the inner radius rod mounting nut to specification. Then torque the outer radius rod mounting fastener to specification. If necessary, repeat this process for the remaining radius rod. Next, reinstall the wheels on the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts until fully seated. Then, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheels in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, safely lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.